small JB.
So hello guys, we got a new laptop for Vedika and this is the latest Lenovo LOQ series. So when you close it, it looks something like this. And we have got a full gaming laptop which has high fins and big fans. And on top of it, if you look at the back, gaming laptops get a couple of USB connections. Then we have RJ45 connection for your LAN. This is HDMI and this is the laptop's charger. These two are the big fins for your fans and good ventilation. And we have got one normal USB-C type connection with a earphone connection and it has got absolutely stunning looks. So when you open it, it opens like this. So this has got backlit keyboards. If you see, this is the function key, switch off, and when you press this, it gets on.
This is the charger.
Sure.
This is my laptop and my. You like my new laptop?
टाटा कर दो।